What's up, guys? Coming at you today with a 2007 Shelby GT. You want to get this car in front of the camera for a while. You've probably seen it in the background at the shop. We keep it here for one of our buddies, so we'll take it for a ride today, but we want to talk about it for a little bit. This is started life as an 07 Shelby GT. It's been modded a little bit. It has, as you notice, the different hood on it. It's actually the hood off of the Hertz version, rental car company version that Shelby made. So the regular Ford Shelby GT's got kind of a crappy hood scoop that came off. It was fake riveted on. It was just held on by two-sided tape. They all kind of suck. So he changed this one with the Hertz style hood. It's got a little different aftermarket wheel on it. The stripes are painted on this car instead of taped on like they'd have been from the factory. It's got kind of a different color gray. They would have originally been more of a silver color. It's hard to tell from this shot, but the sidewalls are painted on too, kind of ghosted on. A few little mods here and there. It's got some aftermarket exhaust, but for the most part, pretty much how she came. These cars were modded pretty well for the factory. They got a 373 gear in them, Hurst shifter, cold air intake, tuned, Shelby strut or Ford Performance strut tower brace. So pretty fun all-around balanced car. I've been telling Jeremy for a while he needs to drive it and see what he thinks. So we're going to take her out and see what he says, see what he thinks about it.
And for the record, I already know this is going to be a disaster because, as y'all probably know, I have a 2014 Roush, which was not what I wanted. Originally, what I was looking for was an 05 to 09 because I like that body style better. Jeff talked me into getting the newer 5.0 motor, which I don't regret, but I have a feeling once I drive this today, I'm going to get butterflies, and I already want one, so we'll see what today brings.
So we're going to strap a couple GoPros to her and try to keep her sunny side up. Alright, so for a while, I've been trying to talk Jeremy into taking this thing for a ride. This, to me, is, like I said earlier, the ultimate S197 from the factory anyway. These cars are just, the mods on them are just the right balance. Everybody's always said it's hard to beat factory power, factory performance, short throw shifter. What do you think about that notchy thing?
I don't know. First time I've ever drove anything that notchy.
We'll ask again later. What we got? Some sort of warning light?
Yeah, it's telling us we're out of fuel.
No, out of fuel, that's fine.
It's normal.
Yeah, it's fine. So these things got 373 gear, cold air intake from Ford Racing, strut bar, tune. They came with a little different exhaust, but this has actually got, I believe it's MagnaFlow on it if I'm not mistaken. So just a fun overall around car. Miles on her. Is my description correct? How fun this thing is?
It's extremely fun. And I'll be honest, I thought I was gonna. I did hate the notchy shifter. The first few miles I put on it. The more and more I drive it, I like the fact with the notchy shifter, you feel like you're in the gear. Like there's no, did that go in? Did that not go in? You know it's in, and it's got. I mean, it's the setup, like with the gear and everything that they've got on it, it's an impressive setup. It's definitely got plenty of power.
Makes me want to do these mods to my 05 and see and compare it and see if you put those mods on the car, does it run like this or does it feel different, you know, with this being there. So there's just something about a factory, oh Jesus, what a pothole, factory balanced setup that just seems to be more impressive.
Yeah, well, this is definitely, I mean, it drives, as far as driving, just getting in it and driving, it drives every bit as smooth and as nice as my 14 Roush. Yeah. I mean, every bit. It doesn't feel it feels so similar. It's kind of goofy. I mean, it don't even feel like I'm driving a different car as far as the feel.
You know, these definitely have the. I know they got the strut tower brace. I have to research. I think they have maybe bigger sway bars too. Maybe springs. I can't remember, but anyway, they're definitely neat cars. They're kind of a niche thing. You know, if you didn't want the Shelby and stuff, you're kind of stuck. So it's a lot of people have got to enjoy them because they are a little higher end on the price range, but kind of in between this and the GT500, I guess. But
I'd love to add this one to my stable. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, we can make it happen. So
we might.
Anyway, that's a wrap for today. We finally got him in and got it out. If you like this video of us cruising around, be sure and tell us. We're hoping to do a lot more driving videos like this. This is kind of a test run today. But hope to do some more of them this summer, get them on the channel, and so be sure you subscribed. Hit that like button. This car is actually for sale, we think. He doesn't back out, so if you're interested, shoot us a message. We'll put you in touch with the owner. Thank him for letting us enjoy it today.
Yeah, big thanks to him. And it definitely, I can vouch, the thing drives and runs great.
Taking her out, enjoying her. We didn't beat on her. There's video to prove it. We weren't hard. The GoPros have been running the whole time. I'll edit out those triple digit pulls.
Yeah, that one donut.
Yeah, had one
there.
Yeah. Those are all in Mexico. So
yeah, so they're okay.
yeah, it's fine. So anyway, y'all be pretty.
We'll see you.